timekeeper. Okay.
Hey, welcome to the chicken episode of Brain Damage Barbecue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification buttons down below. I'm your host, Joel, keeping it beefy. And don't forget to check out our Instagram page now, Brain Damage Barbecue on Instagram. You can meet Barbecue the Cow. You'll be seeing him soon too. What we're doing is chicken breast, chicken wings tonight. I got my glove on so we can get the chicken some love. What we've done is we've got the recipe from Hey Grill Hey. Big shout out to you. You've really been an inspiration on cooking chicken wings with the baking powder and the salt mix so you can make the crispy chicken wings. You know, on the outside, on the Weber. We're going to put those over here on the hotter Weber.
Yeah, what about the two Webers?
Yeah, well, we're doing a dual Weber shoot today. So I found a Weber on the corner and I said, hey, gotta definitely save that puppy. You know, all I did was I got a new flue inside. And a new wheel, and poof, there you go. It cost me 30 bucks, you know, to fix it up, and now I have a brand new Weber. So we're cooking with coal. Can't say cooking with gas because I don't like gas. We're anti-gas. We get gas, yeah, but we are anti-gas, for sure. Okay, it looks like all the chicken wings are nicely spread out on there like that.
Yeah.
Nobody seems to be on top of anybody. Damn it, that's hot. But hey, what are you gonna do, right? A little bit of heat never killed anybody.
Okay.
Okay, it's ready. Oh no. So you want to make sure that everything's not. We want to make sure that everything is not on top of anything because you want the crispiness to get crispy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the top on that. Say chicken, cooking away. Now we're gonna take the beautiful breast here. See, we still have the chicken hand. We're gonna take the beautiful breast here that I've taken all the fillets off because the fillets are gonna go to who? Brutus. That's why he's so fat, because he gets lots of chicken. So there's a little bit of breast there. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, you don't need calculators. So we got 4 there, 5. Now we're gonna get it all mixed up because I was gonna put different seasonings on each one. And that's really hot on the glove hand. Jesus, I should be wearing a what do you call a rubber glove. But there we go, we got 10 chicken breasts on there. We're gonna take the glove off now because we don't need it anymore. The garbage can is...
Was in the shot, which is hilarious.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the top 3.
Yeah.
Actually 2. They're gonna be Lowry's.
Yeah.
Okay, these first 2 are gonna be Lowry's. So keep track of this, folks, for me, okay? Come on. I'm gonna depend on you guys. Oh, this one's a little bit...
Left is Lowry's.
That's right.
It's left for me.
Well, right for me, so... Okay,
yeah.
This is Southern Style Barbecue from Clubhouse. They make some amazing seasonings, you know, they really help add flavor to your meat. Mm-hmm. So we're gonna put it... Does it want to come out? Oh, there we go a little bit. Okay, 1, 2... We're gonna do 3 with this one.
Okay.
Okay. Put a lot on there.
Yeah.
So we get a lot of flavor. Okay.
So Lowry's, La Grill.
No, Clubhouse. Yeah, Clubhouse La Grill. Sorry. So the Southern Style Barbecue.
Okay.
Okay. So that one's done. The Lowry's is done. We got Strubs. We know Strubs. We've heard of them before. Strubs. Awesome stuff. Chicken. Hello, chicken Strubs. See, even chicken.
Nice.
Chicken rub. We're not gonna rub. We're gonna sprinkle. We don't rub here. We sprinkle. So we're gonna do these 3 with Strubs. Sprinkle the Strubs on there nicely. Oh yeah, it even looks like chicken stuff. It's got the color of chicken, like broth almost. Sprinkle some in the coals too. What the hell, right? So there's 3 Strubs chickens.
Nice.
And of course, we cannot forget our little Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. This is hickory brown sugar. We're gonna coat that on there.
Always good.
Oh yeah, Sweet Baby Ray's good. Give it a shake. We got 2 Sweet Baby Ray's. Throw a little bit on there like that. Throw a little bit on there like that. A little more, because it'll be even. Now I come over here, grab my brush, and I spread. Oh yeah, we spread all over that breast. That low breast. Oh, now we're getting dirty. Now the breasts are getting dirty. Can't do that because this is a family channel, so we can't do that. But look at that. Those breasts are coated nice, almost like a little suntan.
Yeah.
So everybody's got their seasonings. Everybody's happy with the clam because this can go on a contaminated thing. Where can we put the, you know what? We're going to do the chicken tenders later on for Brutus. You guys won't see that because it's for Brutus, but we're going to put the top on this, set it and forget it, walk away, open the, where's my handle? There it is. We're going to open up the vent so we get some more heat because we got this one open, I believe. That one's now open. We're going to take a little peek at the chicken wings. They are looking delicious. I'm going to go inside in a couple minutes and grab a set of tongs so I can flip them. There's 66 chicken wings there, folks. 66. We're going to be feasting like kings tonight. Chicken breasts, I think there was 10. 66 chicken wings. Keep it beefy.
Beautiful. All right.
Believe in barbecue!
Sounds flat. Where are we going? All right.
Okay, we're back. The chicken wings are cooking really good. They're cooking a little faster than I thought they were going to, so we flipped them once in order to get some color. As you can see, there's lots of color on there, but it seems like the center was doing a lot better than the outside.
Yeah.
So we'll take some of these from the center, move the stuff to the inside there, make sure those are all cooked properly.
Nice.
Don't want to be getting the mad chicken disease, you know, like run around clucking. And you go to work and stuff. I think people would notice that, you know.
That's the equivalent of 3 tons of my new synthetic fried chicken.
3 tons?
Yes, that would be almost as if he had a bucket of chicken every day for 500 years.
Is there any chance of brain damage? He moved!
He's alive! He's alive!
But yeah, you know, the chicken wings have turned out really good. Again, thank you very much, Hey Grill Hey, because that coating that you put on with baking powder and salt really looks like I can feel them. They got a nice crispness to them. You know,
Oh, yeah?
they're getting there beautifully. So, as a matter of fact, they're going to be coming out pretty soon. We're going to the other ones cook a little bit more. See, we got the chicken breasts here. Matter of fact, while we're waiting for those to cook, flip the chicken breasts. So this one is strubs.
Strubs. Yep.
We flip a strubs. Oh yeah, it's nice color. We got 3 strubs. Oh, I took some strubs off. I'm sorry. Flip it properly. Okay, ouch. That's really hot. Strubs. This would be
Le Grill.
the grill. Yeah, this is definitely the grill.
Clubhouse Le Grill.
Clubhouse Le Grill. And of course, our all-time favorite, Lowry's. Lowry's seasons any and every meat perfectly all the time. There we go, and then we've got the Sweet Baby Ray's Sweet Hickory. Or no, brown sugar. Hickory brown sugar. So
Nice.
Okay, there we go. We'll put the tops back on those. Like that. The chicken wings can now come off. It sounded real crispy already. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but we got 66 of them. So, well, yeah, I see a couple of them are little birds, but what are you gonna do, right? Cajun style. Okay, so let's go for all the dark ones. We know they're gonna be definitely done. See, I put a little rack in there so any grease and stuff like that can.
Oh yeah, gotcha.
Down,
Gotcha.
so-
Okay.
Because chicken wings are inherently greasy to begin with. See, some of the ones that I don't think are crispy enough, we can put them in the fire a little bit more. You see, that one's got a little bit more time to go. That one's good. That one's good. Wow, I gotta come from this side and do it so I don't have to reach over the grill.
There we go.
That way it over my hands. Duh. Like, thanks for the comments down below telling me that. I should be doing that, but
They'll be a little late.
yeah, a little late
Sorry.
now. That's okay. Oh my God, I just smelled the burn. Some chicken burning. I said, no, no, it smelled good. You know, like that cooked chicken part. So yeah, some of them are coming up real nice. So that's what we strive for here at Brain Damage Barbecue. If it's not perfect, it does not leave my kitchen.
Okay.
I just said on the door. If it's not perfect, do it again.
Okay, maybe you
Too bad it takes time to do that. Well,
put that down and you get another container.
I don't have another container.
Well,
The other container is for the chicken breasts. And I'm just about done. I have more than enough room in here to do this. So. Come on, all the ones in the middle now. There we go. Full basket of 66 perfectly cooked chicken wings on the Weber kettle using Kingsford charcoal. The only charcoal and only barbecues I will use. Keeping it beefy with the Kingsford and
Wow.
the Weber. Absolutely. Now we gotta check on the chicken. It's still not done yet. We're good though. But you know what I might do? Just because I can, and
no.
nobody's in the audience to stop me from doing this, everybody's gonna get some Sweet Baby Ray's. We're gonna give us line down everybody.
that's way too much.
No way, man.
Perfect.
Must not be noon yet. I don't have the shakes. And then I'll go ahead and splash a little bit down the throat here. Whoa, whoa, way too much. Perfect.
Just a line down everybody and we'll coat it. And have that Sweet Baby Ray's kiss to it. There we go. Everybody's happy there. Put that back there. Grab my trusty brush and brush those breasts nice and nice. Like that. Make sure you don't clump because you don't want big clumps of barbecue sauce. Because we didn't season this side. Remember that. The only side we seasoned was the other side. So we got to have flavor on both sides. Because when you bite into this chicken, I'm telling you, your taste buds are gonna orgasm. That's how good it is. This is like, better than anything I can imagine now. Because I cook chicken, not very often, but when I'm telling you, when I cook chicken,
It's
the chickens
special.
are even jealous. The chickens come to have chicken, you know? So, there we go. Okay, we're all buttered up like that. We're sauced up like that. We'll let those cook for another couple of minutes. And when we take them off, we will come back. Keep it beefy.
Le ski patrol n'a pas un problème après qu'ils ont vu ce qu'ils peuvent voir. Nous filmons pour un canal de YouTube. Ouais.
And here we go.
All right.
Okay, well, I think the barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's, hickory brown sugar, on the chicken breasts that all have seasoning, different kinds of seasoning. Because now they're all mixed up because we flipped them over. It's like that memory game. You know, oh, a hat, oh,
Yeah,
shoe.
yeah.
Well, you lose, you know what I mean? So,
Okay, so Lowry's was on the left, so you flip them in place, right?
yes, I did. All I did was flip them.
Okay, so
So
Lowry's
this is
is
the
on
two
the left.
Lowry's.
This is the Le Grill.
Okay.
Okay, that's roughly these three. Strubs is over here,
Sweet Baby Ray's is there.
and Sweet Baby Ray's was there, and they've all got Sweet Baby Ray's on the
top,
backside.
that's right, on the other
Okay.
side. So we're going to take the Sweet Baby Ray's off first and flip them over and show you how beautiful the caramelized the Sweet Baby Ray's.
Yeah.
The Sweet Baby Ray's is like the barbecue sauce of champions. Like Lowry's is the seasoning salt of champions, Sweet Baby Ray's is the barbecue sauce of champions.
There you go.
Absolutely.
You heard it
Big
here.
shout out to Sweet Baby Ray's. Not sponsored by you guys, but I would like it if you sent me a pallet of the hickory brown sugar and the sweet and spicy.
Just
'Cause
a
the
pallet?
sweet and spicy is really good on my bloomin' barbecue burnt end bologna. That's hard to
It
say,
is.
man.
Yes,
Like
it
5 times
is.
fast. Okay, so what was this was Lowry's. Here we're gonna flip the Lowry's over on this side.
Yeah.
See, look at how beautiful the Lowry's got a nice color,
Nice.
you know?
Yeah.
And that's
Oh,
really
yeah.
hot. So let's not hold the plastic over top because we melt plastic onto the chicken. It will not taste good. Plastic is not a good seasoning for chicken. Don't fool yourself. Don't let anybody tell you different. It's not.
No.
Okay, now what are we doing here? This is the Strubs,
Strubs was over this way.
and this is,
So these should be the Strubs.
okay.
Those should be the Le Grill.
Okay, so the grill is going in next.
Yeah, I think those.
See?
I
Yeah,
think
that
that
looks a
you
little
put them on
crispy.
in that order.
Yeah, okay. The grill, and you can see the seasoning is burnt a little bit. Maybe that's how you can tell, see? Like
Okay.
these two are a little blacker
Sure.
than all those, but they've all been on for the same amount of time, right?
Yeah.
So this is number 3 of the grill. Flip it over again, all the spices are burnt. That's
Interesting.
okay, it adds flavor, you know?
It might,
gives that
yeah,
chicken
yeah, yeah,
flavor.
yeah.
And
Yes.
what was this one? This was
Strubs.
Strubs. Okay, with Strubs we got a, oh, it looks a little
Does have
crispy
that
too,
green.
but it's got a nice crisp to it. That's what we're looking for. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? We want a juicy chicken inside. Hey, look at that. We've got it right in between the grills there. That's skills, getting in between the grills. But that is all of our chicken, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hold it over here so we don't melt it, because again,
Yeah.
melted plastic is not a great seasoning. But as you can see, the chicken has turned out perfectly because
Beautiful.
Brain Damage Barbecue will accept nothing but perfection when it comes to his food. So until next time, folks, keep it beefy. Good shoot.
Holy shit.
That was really good.
Have a nice time, Zipser.
Fellas! Fellas! Oh, fellas!
Thanks, girls.
I needed that.